welcome back to another video. Today we'll be building a very small x-ray machine for very small items such as ICs, and we're gonna base it these tubes. These are 2C2S tubes. Let me see if I can show you. They are Soviet tubes, and we're gonna be using one of these to build a miniature x-ray machine. Let's get started. This and a lot of wires also. So let's get started. This is how the high voltage circuit will look like. First I need to prepare the epoxy and put this transformer all in epoxy, specifically this part. I have put a little bit of hot glue and everything. We need to wait for this to dry, and now we will do test and see if it's producing enough radiation to light up at least a small part of this intensifying screen. Let's go. Okay, let's start at 1, 2, 3. What the hell? Wait 1 minute. 1, 2, 3. This is attempt 2. Yes, it works. It is closer. Oh no. I need to isolate that. Number God knows what. Let's see. Still need to isolate it, but you can see we have a spot. Okay, let's get to building everything already. This is the design that I went with, and oh god, this doesn't ever stick to itself. This is our design. Alright, here it is, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, we have emissions. So I think it's time for me to take an x-ray of my fingers. Let's start. First of all, I will need to put my fingers underneath this and okay, I'm not getting shocked, that's a good sign. Time to do long exposure. 1 moment and you will see the image in a few seconds. X-ray turned out great, so the next contestant, other than my fingers, is gonna be this fan. This is it for the video. This was a small project, but I will tell you right now, yes, you can build this. Yes, it's easy to build. Doesn't mean you have to. Even in small doses like these, it's not really healthy for you or for literally anything being exposed to it. I x-rayed my fingers, yes, but I used as low exposure as I can, and I only did it one time to avoid getting any amount of exposure. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends. Yalla, bye.